Good day, guys. Being here. Today we are going to talk about these two functions. So edit work plan and pick new work plan. So this is used to change the work plan of a family. So for example, this one is a phase-based family. Okay, so actually I'm going to just start from scratch. Okay, so let's create a project. And I'm going to just model some wall. Maybe I put a roof on the top and finish it. Maybe, yep, that's better. So, okay, so now we have a house, and then I'm going to model a phase-based family. So this one, and then I'll just create a simple extrusion. So roughly like this, and then load this into the project, and I'm going to place it on maybe on here. Okay, so let's pretend this is like a switch box or something like that. Okay, so now if I select this family, we have these options. So edit work plan and pick new work plan. Okay, so now let's have a look of the difference. So actually, let's try the pick new work plan first. So if you click on pick new work plan, and then you will still have two options. So the default option is face. So which means you can place this, you can place this family to a new place, new face. Sorry, new face. So any face. So for example, you can place it here, here, here. So anywhere on this house. So you can place it here. Okay, you can place it here, or place here, or you can place it here. And then let's just go back again. So pick new, and then the other option is work plan. So if you click on work plan, so this time you have this option here. Okay, so you need to go here, and then you can pick different work plan. So currently we have level 1 and ground floor. So these are the two levels. Okay, so for example, if I pick level 1, so you will see I can place this on level 1. So it's no longer on to the face of this house. It's on the level. See, it's on level 1. Okay, let's just do it again. Pick new work plan, and we can change to ground floor. So now it's on the ground floor level. Okay, and also there's option here, so we can see pick. But this is used for if you have some other plan. So pick a plan, because you can use these face. So for example, I can place it here. I can pick this face as a plan, but I can actually place it here. So you will see it's following that face, but it's actually not on the face. So you won't be able to use pick face and to place it here, because it will go to the other face. You won't so see, you can't do it this way. You won't be able to place it here. So you need to go work plan, pick, and pick a plan. So for example, this time I want to place it on this vertical plan, but not on this wall, just on the side. So you need to pick this plan and go here. Okay, so these are the pick new. So which means it doesn't matter the direction of this these face are. You just you can just rotate. So for example, you can place vertically, and if you don't like it, you can just place it with angle. You can place it on a level. Okay, it's very flexible. And of course, you can place them on reference plane. So for example, on this, let's go back to a floor plan, create a reference plane, or you can use grid. So for example, I'll just draw a grid like this. Okay, so you can name your reference plane. So I'll just name it 1. And then we will have more options. So let's select this one, pick. So you can use work plan, and then in this drop down menu you will see those, so grid and reference plane. Okay, so if I pick this one, and then if I place this family, and then you will see it's actually placed on the reference plane, but we can't see it in. Let me just close this one, and I'll just WT so you can see. So currently it looks like it's floating in the air, so it's actually placed on this reference plane. Okay, so if I move the reference plane, so it will also the family will follow this reference plane. And also if I select this again, edit, pick new work plan, and pick that grid, and then I'll just place it somewhere here. Okay, so and then in the floor plan you will see, oh actually it's too high. Yeah, it's too high. I can't see it in the floor plan, so let me just drop it down a little bit, down a little bit. Still can't see. A little bit more. Oh, where is it? Oh, it's there. Okay, so yeah, so it's on this grid, so you will see it will follow it. Okay, now let's place it back. So which one do we use? Just pick new, place it on wall. Okay, so basically pick new, it's very flexible, so you can just pick new and place anywhere you like. So now let's have a look of edit work plan. So edit work plan is it's a little bit limited. Okay, it's different to pick new. Pick new you can pick anywhere and place anywhere. Doesn't matter the direction, what the directions are. But pick edit work plan, you can only change the work plan to those parallel to the original one. So for example, let's try. So this family, currently the work plan is this face. Okay, so if I edit work plan, and then you will see we have these options, and in here we only have this extra option, which is the reference plane. So if you can see, this is reference plane 1, which is parallel to the face of this wall. So that's why we can pick this one. So let's just pick this one and click OK. So now you will see you won't have the opportunity to move the family around. It will automatically move this family from the original wall, the face of the wall, to the reference plane, and everything. So for example, the height of this family or the relative location of the family will be the same. It's just switch offset, so from this face to this face. Okay, so let's try it again. So edit work plan, and so okay, so looks like we don't have options. So of course we don't have options for the walls. We only have options for reference plane or grid. Or if we place this family on a level, you will have the option for different levels. Okay, so now if I want to place this back onto the wall, we can just use pick a plane and OK, and then pick the wall face. And you will see you can only pick this wall face because this wall face is parallel to this reference plane, you can also pick this edge of the roof, but you won't be able to pick anything. So this roof, you can pick this wall because it's also parallel to here. So let's just pick this wall, and then you will see the height of the family is still the same. The offset from this side is still the same. Only difference is it's on this work plan. And you can also use this to switch the side. Okay, so I think that's about. Let's have a look again. So edit work plan, and what this one, pick a line and use the work plan it was sketched in. Okay, so let's try this one. So actually before that, I think it should be a model line because yeah, that's the only line you can draw in a work plan. So what I'm going to do is I'll just draw a model line in this reference plan. Okay, so first I'm going to do, let's try model line, and I'm going to use this pick work plan. Okay, because if I draw something here, it will be draw on the current current work plan, which I think is the ground floor level. So we need to use this one, pick, and I'm going to pick a plan. Okay, and pick this reference plan. And the Revit will ask us to go to a view which is perpendicular to this reference plan, which is north elevation or south elevation. And also, yeah, looks like a section is also perpendicular to that. Hang on. Perpendicular. What I mean is the direction of the view is perpendicular to the reference plane. Because when you cut a section, so it looks like this line is parallel to that. But when the direction of the view is perpendicular to the reference plane. Okay, so let's go to south elevation. Okay. So now let's draw some line. This line. So this is model line, and let's go to 3D view. You will see this model line. Okay, so it's drew in a work plan, and which is parallel to this wall. So let's try that. So select this family, edit work plan. So let's try this one, and okay, and see if we can pick this line. Yes. Okay. Yeah, this is quite interesting. I'm not sure why this why there's an option for this, because I think it's I don't know why this is option for. So why do we need a line to okay, maybe it's easier because in 3D view you can't see the reference plane, but you will be able to see lines. Maybe that's the reason. So because you can't, so for example, if I go pick a plan, there's no way I can see it, the reference line. If we don't have that, we don't name the reference plan, we won't be able to see the reference plan, but we can see the line drew in that reference plan. Maybe that's why. Okay, so let's have a look. The last one, pick a new host. What is this? Okay, so it looks like this is exactly the same to the face. We even have the same option for the face or work plan. Go back to pick a new. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, just have a play. Yeah, you should be. Well, actually, let me just let me just do another example of when I think I will use edit work plan, then pick new. So sometimes I, for example, I draw, let me just drag this back. Okay, so, and then maybe I'll just drag this back as well. Okay, so now I'll just align the opening. So I'll just create two opening with the same width, and I'm going to just draw some a beam system. I use beam system for some patterns. So you can use beam system for first. We need to set a work plan. Okay, so pick plan. I'm going to use this face, and then I'll just draw something like this, and then set. So for example, 300, and then change the. Currently, that's only one here. So I'll just make it 600. Okay, so apply, finish, and then that's some. Pretend these are pattern, and of course I'll just change the direction so to this. Okay, so let's pretend these are some pattern or shade or louver. Okay, on this side of the windows. Okay, and let me just close this one. We don't need this. Okay, so now what I need to do is I want to change this one, move this to this side. Okay, but if I use pick new, it will go. It's a little bit hard to. So I need to place it here and then try to move it to fit this size, right? But because I know the size is same, at least the height is the same, and sometimes you have different size, but it's easier to use edit work plan, pick plan, okay, and pick this wall. So the relative location is still the same, so the height, the base, so it's only changed the face. So it's easier to use edit work plan if in some situation. So I'll just show you another one. So maybe sometimes, oh hang on, let me just draw a floor. Okay, we need to set the work plan back to ground floor maybe. Okay, so I'll just do a floor. Okay, and I'll just do the same. So let's pretend that's some, I'll just copy this one, Control C, modify, paste to level 1, so we have 2 levels. So for example, I'm going to model some floor joist. Okay, so same, I'll just pretend. Okay, so let's pretend beam system. First set the work plan, pick a plan, okay, pick this face, and I'm going to just pick all these 4. This direction, that's okay, change 900 maybe. Okay, so now we have these floor joist, and then I want to change. I don't want them to, or actually, I want to copy this to up there. Okay, so sometimes we have all different shape. Probably it's easier to copy from the another level. So what I'm going to do is select this beam system. Okay, so I'll just Control C, and I'll just paste in this. Oh, look, hang on. Looks like we can align to a different level. That's easier. Oh, but still, so you will see when I paste this, it pastes to instead of on this face of the floor, placed to the level. So which means we need to change. Okay, now we have 2 options. If we use pick new, it will be in place. You need to try to align the floor, right? But you can edit work plan, pick a plan, okay, pick the face. Okay, so and then that's it. So, okay, so conclusion. Um, Pick new, so it's very flexible, so you can change face, change direction, you can place on any face, but you might need to adjust the location. Edit work plan, you can only change the work plan to any other work plan that parallel to the original one. It will save you some time if you want to keep some of the location or relative location. Okay, so that's it. I hope it's clear. If you have any question, please let me know. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.